Ryan got my boxes out of the van. It's Easter weekend, which is exciting. So would that make it April 3rd? Actually, in the sun here, it's beautiful. Oh my goodness. These chickens. Oh, you guys, driving me crazy. I made like a pile outside the garden of this lava rock, and they decided to scratch it all up. Anywho, I am coming out here to, last weekend you guys would have seen that we went into town and did some Easter egg hunts and with William, but we have a bunch of eggs and they're not like good quality eggs to put like for an Easter egg hunt. They just break really easy. So I'm gonna try to put them in the coop and see if that helps with our hens and teaching them where to lay. So we'll see. Whoa! We got some feisty girls in here. You're like, why are you bothering us? I'm just gonna try to throw a couple in each one of these. I don't think they'll notice. We have wooden ones, but we'll see if these work. Put some up here. Both the babies are sleeping inside, but we are gonna head over to my in-laws' house here in a little bit to go do Easter over there, so I probably won't vlog a whole lot. Oh, they've beaten this down for sure. Done a really good job. Oh, it's okay. Come here. Should have brought the food scraps out for you. Papa helped you, yeah. The girls up front. Yeah. Oh, beside the end on. See, what a long day, but what a wonderful day. Did you have fun seeing your family? Did you have fun? Yeah. You're so pretty. Well, it is still Saturday, and yes, it has been a long day, but I have Ryan doing some projects with me because I never get time. We finally put the babies to bed, and I was like, look, I have an hour and a half of quality time that I could use before the sun goes down. So he is doing tractor loads of dirt for me. So this is the fourth load that I've had him get, but we're piling it over here in the corner of the garden so I can use it to spread it out for these beds when I have time. But I had him and the tractor available, so I decided to have him do this. Also, 3 years later, I'm finally picking up all of this lava rock that is along this fence row. I am going to be so happy. In other news, the pigs are being crazy, acting like pigs and having fun, so that's good. Wowza. Hi guys, it's Sunday. Easter. Yeah, I haven't vlogged the whole day, which is fine. But we went to church this morning. That was just a whirlwind. We had 5 people baptized at our church today, so that was awesome. Had a good time with the kids. Went to go see Ryan's grandma, who's in the nursing home. Got home, the kids are obviously exhausted, so we put them to bed, and yeah, just I feel like the whole day's been hitting the ground running, which is the story of our life. But we had our sign, our Keeling farm sign, and it fell off with the Kansas wind, so I had to repair it. So I just got done with that, and I'm gonna go put that back up, but I'm gonna go check on the babies first. I hate to leave you guys on a cliffhanger, but I think I'm going to. Okay, you can open. We are about to head off to go get the other 4 pigs, and I think I want to make that into a video.
Hi. Hi, Daddy. Hi, Daddy.
He is the cutest. I think I want to make that into a video all by itself, so you guys will just have to come back on Friday to see us getting the pigs, and then we're going to take our trailer and then unload them into the training pen, which will be an experience, but we'll see how it goes. And that's why it's going to take longer than I could put into this vlog. So come back Friday. Thank you for watching our weekend vlog, and we'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye.